With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A bookshop sells books in two types of packaging, one small and the one large. A large pack contains as many as 10 small packs plus 5 loose books. Set up an equation which gives the number of books in each small pack. The number of books in large pack is 115. We have been given that there is a bookshop which sells two types of packaging. One is small and the other one is large. A large pack contains as many as books that are in 10 small packs, plus it also contains 5 loose books. So we need to set up an equation for the number of books in each small pack. So let us assume books in small pack be X. We know the books in the small pack is X, and a large pack contains as many as 10 small packs plus 5 loose books. According to question, we know that a large pack contains it has 10 small packs and plus 5 loose books. So the number of total books in large pack is 115. So this becomes 115 is equals to 10 small packs was X, 10X plus 5. So this is our equation.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.